Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be installing these bed channel stiffeners from Total Chaos. So the real reason I bought these is because there's an antenna mount right here, so that's a hint for a future video that's going to happen. There's also a tie down point for some cargo, both right there and right there, and they bolt to the inside of the bed using some existing bolts, and then you got to drill some more holes for bolts that they provide. So let's put them in and I'll show you guys how it goes. So before we start putting them in, I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box. You have the two stiffeners, obviously, and then this is the bag of hardware that is used after you drill holes inside the bed. And you get a bunch of stickers, a catalog for some other stuff that they sell, and this pretty cool poster of like a trophy truck or something. There's that one of the truck jumping, and then the other side has another picture of kind of doing some skids. So the first thing we have to do is take out the taillight, and there's two 10mm bolts, one on the top and one on the bottom, and then there's the one 10mm bolt that looks the same size as the ones that hold the taillight in, and that's right next to the top taillight bolt. And then next you can take out the factory hook, the cargo hold down hook. That's a T40 Torx bit. And then there's some washers that are on the bolt that is connected to that. You gotta keep those in the same exact order. And then next we take out the T50 Torx that holds the bed onto the frame of the truck. That's a really long bolt, kind of takes a long time to take out, but just take your time, it's super easy. And then next you use the provided bolt that comes with the kit and put the washers that came out of the factory hook and kind of thread that into the hole it came out of. And that is a 5/8 bolt. And then I put the 10mm bolt back on the top. That'll hold the top in. I just tightened everything down snug. I didn't torque it down perfectly yet. Then next you'll put in the T55 Torx bit screw that holds the bed onto the frame, and then I tighten all three of those bolts down. And then next you gotta drill, and you just drill where the bed stiffener holds on to the side of the bed. I found it easier if I used a small drill bit first and then drilled out the 5/16 hole with another drill. And then these three bolts come with the kit. They have nylon lock nuts on them. So you just kind of use the holes and feed them through the side. And the other side is where the taillight goes. So the top one's kind of difficult because there's a little metal piece in the way, so tightening it down and getting the nut and the washer on that bolt is probably the hardest one, but the other two are super easy. And then just to be sure, I gave everything one kind of final tighten down, and then we're all good. Last thing is to put the taillight back in. And two 10mm bolts that hold the taillight. Now you're done. So I just did a little test drive, and the back of the truck does kind of feel like it's more stiff, like the bed flexes less, so that's pretty cool. So overall, it's a pretty easy install. So if this helped you, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and you can ask questions down in the comments and I'll answer them for you. And subscribe if you want to see more later. Thanks for watching. Later, guys.